ounces canned pears, ounce well drained. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of butter softened. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of hazelnut flavored liqueur. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, optional. 1 cup of flour. 1/2 cup of Ghirardelli sweet brown chocolate and cocoa. 1/2 cup of chopped hazelnuts. 2 ounces. 1/2 baking bar.
Ghirardelli
Bittersweet chocolate for garnish.